Everyone, welcome back. Today I have Presley with me. Sweetest, cutest. He is my nephew, by the way. He has his heart. He is so kind. Anyway, such a sweetheart, but he is very handsome, and we are going to do a fun cut for him. We are going to do a number 2 on the sides. We are going to blend it through the sides. We're going to take this a little shorter. He's got this natural curl on top, so we throw some curl cream in after, and then he just lets it dry, and then he can just put his fingers through it. So here we go. We are going to do the number 2. You can see I'm going to come around here. That's how far up we are going. Yeah, Presley has been my little buddy since day one. We're just really close. Anyway, he's just such a good kid. So I'm like, you know what? Hey, we're doing your haircut. Can we video so I can show you off? But yeah, he is an awesome kid. So
you're the best.
Aw, thanks. You're such a sweetheart. Yeah, lots of memories. We go camping together. That's what our family, we are definitely like, we love the outdoors. We love family time, all the good things.
Yeah.
But yeah, Presley has been so good to all my kids, have been really close to my kids. Anyway, it's pretty cool to have cousins, you know, in the same town and be able to grow up together, right, Presley?
Yes, no,
Seriously, is so great. So great. Okay. Now I'm just going to wet this down. All right, now we are going to take about this much off because he still wants some length on top, but not all of that he was dealing with. So we're going to take this much off. So you can see I go from one side to the other, and then I'm going to come back through the back. And I take this length off. Then it'll be just so much easier to deal with, huh, Press?
Yes. No, it's awful right now.
Is it? It's just...
Once it gets too long.
Yep, and then it's not going, huh? All right. So you can see that I am taking from middle over, and then I come back middle and come to the other side. And then I will double check it going the opposite way. So you can see that I'm coming, side to side this way. Then I'm going to double check it for, to make everything even. And I will go back the other way, which I'll show you in just a second, just so it doesn't confuse you. Okay. All right. So yeah, Presley, his dad is my brother. Cool thing about all of our family is we all live in the same town. Which is crazy because I have, one sister and 2 brothers, and we all live in the same town, which is seriously crazy, right? Like, that doesn't happen a lot, so we are very blessed. Okay, so you can see I'm just coming up this opposite way. So, I had cut this way, so now I'm coming this way to make sure everything is even. Okay, then I'm just gonna put my fingers through that. And then he didn't want this like super short, so that seems about right on his length. I am going to, after I blend it, I'm going to see if he wants a little length off of the front, but we're gonna wait and see, just because he still wanted some length on that front. So, okay, we are going to come in the sides, bring my comb in, bring it back out. Another cool thing about Presley, he is probably the most creative, artistic person I've ever met, ever. He's an artist. Like, his drawings are fantastic, phenomenal. The detail is just crazy. But yeah, he is very, very talented that way. And what he does, if any of you seen my son's videos for like their wedding videos, Presley, he is a videographer, which is unreal. He does such good work. Yeah, so he is very talented at that too. So it's super fun. Heck yes. You should see my son's videos. We should put it up just for fun, just so they can see it, because he is very creative. But yeah.
It's so good.
Did you? What's that?
I watched the video yesterday.
Oh, that's so fun. It just is. It's incredible.
Such a fun day.
Such a fun day. And then the memories that you got with everybody talking, and oh, it's just cool. But yeah, so that's what Presley does. Okay, I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna blend this side a little bit more. And then I'm going to turn him to the mirror so I can see, because you obviously want to look in the mirror to see what's going on both sides. So, okay. Feeling better? Shorter?
Yeah, I love it.
Good. Okay, now what I'm going to do, you guys, is on these sides, I'm going to take, just so it connects really good through these corners, we are going to come through the corners and just take those off. And then I will texturize it. That's gonna make it easier to style, and it will lay really nice with his curl. So it makes it easier for him to style. And we're all about that, right, Press?
Yes. Amen.
Yeah, literally. Easy is good. Okay, so you can see I'm just taking this corner off on the sides. See that corner right there? You just wanna take that off. You don't notice it as much like as you cut it, like right today, but when this grows out, this corner will get too much, and so it will look off as it starts growing out. So that's definitely why you would want to take off those corners. Okay, now I'm going to just come through with these texturizing shears through the sides, up through the top. What this can do too with guys' hair, just so it doesn't get heavy, even though Presley wanted to keep it a tiny bit longer up top, if you bring these texturizing shears throughout the top and around, it will take that hair out so it's not so heavy and bulky. So he can kind of lift at it, so it doesn't just feel like it's hanging more. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is go around his neck and his ears, and then, yeah, you love this part? He loves it. Okay, so I'm gonna have him put his head down, and then I like to come straight across here and just barely round that corner and come up. Okay, and then same thing by the ear. We're just gonna take around the ear. And then we're gonna hold his head up. We're gonna come right here. You want it just up a little bit, right? Mm-hmm. Yep. He likes it coming out from his ear there. So we're gonna go straight across and clean this up. I'm gonna come on this side, sorry. Okay, same thing, head down. We're gonna come straight across. And we're going to come on an angle a little bit. clean this up. Again, just move the ear, come around that ear, clean that up. Straight across from here. Okay. Okay, awesome, Press. Now what I'm gonna do is just take the blow dryer. I'm gonna get this hair out. Obviously, if I wasn't doing the video, we could rinse him in the sink to get that hair out. And I'm gonna turn him just so he can see that length. Is this length?
Yes.
Is that okay? And are you going to the one side or this side?
The other side first.
This side?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit of the curl cream. So this curl cream is super nice. It holds the curl. It doesn't make it so it's crunchy. You know what I mean? If it's too like thick and more like a really thick gel, it's not. This is super soft. It will just help it dry in its curls. And anyway, and then after, it'll just hold to where he can just leave it if he wants with the curls, or he can take his fingers through it after and just kind of have it kind of come up a little bit. Okay, Press. Okay, what do you think? Is that length? Do you want?
Yeah, no,
I'm gonna do that and then just kind of mess it up.
Yes.
Right? Do you just lift at it, don't you?
Yes. Yeah.
Do you want to do it, or
Let's see.
do you kind of lift it?
Sometimes like that, like hardly lift it up.
Yeah, see how he's lifting that up and he kind of brings it back down. Yeah, then people can kind of see how you do it. Yeah.
And then fix it.
Oh, there was just that one piece. Sorry, do that one more time, will you? Is that good?
Yeah.
Is that about right?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. So he just kind of like lifts it up a little bit and then over. So, okay, I'm gonna turn him around so you can see. Awesome, Press. Okay, bud, love ya. Thank you so much for letting us videotape your haircut. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will chat next time. See ya.